Hello and welcome to this very quick video. This is something about how you can get the image for your radio, things like this Radio Master TX16S. You can put your image of your own particular model here, and it's one of those things that I do a lot or have done in the past. In fact, I have a whole video about how you can use a graphics editor to create your own if you want to take a picture of your very own model. However, lots of people can't be bothered with that, and I need to say a massive thank you to a friend of mine, a flying buddy called Adam, who let me know about this website. This website is called Sky Raccoon. I'll put a link down below. These guys have hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of different images, and not only can you download them in lots of different kind of setups depending on the radio you've got, so you can have them as kind of grayscale or black and white, or for Horus X10, X12 style. You can also request stuff as well. So for example, if they haven't got exactly what you want here, so there's the Zake 800 that we've been looking at recently on the channel, then you can ask them for it and they will create it. And it's nice because the backgrounds on here are all nicely transparent as well, which makes it a piece of cake. You can just download this stuff. It's even got things like the swordfish, again, that I've been looking at, that I'm a huge fan of. So I just wanted to let you know about this website. This is one of those kind of cool things that I would put in here, and just make sure that you are constantly having a look, and if there's something that you want, do let them know. It does now mean, of course, that we can add all this stuff to the radio, and you can have the exact model looking like the one that you have in real life on that main page on your transmitter. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that, if you're trying to learn a topic, will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.